How much does it cost for carpet cleaning services in Singapore? Looking for carpet cleaning service in Singapore? The demand for the services of various carpet cleaning companies in Singapore has been increasing drastically over the few years. Singapore, also known as the Lion City, is the fourth leading country in the world financially. The country has been successful in various industries, and its cleaning industry has been one of the top contributors of this success. According to an online article, Singaporeans are not yet used to the topic carpet cleaning due to some misconceptions and myths about this. These misconceptions in carpet cleaning include the price of the service as well as the reputation of the cleaning company. With the high demand right now, Singaporeans have really overcome these misconceptions. If you are currently living in Singapore and you are still in doubt with the prices, charges, fees and costs of availing the service of carpet cleaning companies, here are some useful insights for you. Carpet Cleaning Singapore. Services being offered by carpet cleaning companies. The services of carpet cleaning companies are not just limited to simply washing the carpets and rugs, and drying them up. There are various services that are guaranteed to be of high quality, yet can be availed in affordable prices. Carpet stain removal. Carpet and rug shampoo. Mattress cleaning. Curtain cleaning. Upholstery cleaning. Sofa cleaning. Carpet installation. These services are not just available for households, but also in small and large offices by various companies, schools and government agencies. Moreover, these services are available in regular basis, one-time services and occasional or festive cleaning purpose. Regular basis service can be availed in weekly, bi-weekly or monthly period. Costs of carpet cleaning. Aforementioned, one of the misconceptions of Singaporeans is the high cost of carpet cleaning. In fact, for few years now, carpet cleaning has always been affordable to everyone since the start of the industry. Commercial carpet cleaning can cost $0.175 to 60 cents per square feet depending on the size of the carpet as well as the time that will be consumed in cleaning the carpets and rugs. Rugs and residential carpet cleaning can cost $70 up to $300 depending on the number of rugs and carpets as well as whether it is pickup and delivery or on-site cleaning. Some people are afraid for hidden charges. Carpet cleaning companies can guarantee everyone that they will only charge based on their price lists. Once they say free pickup and delivery, that means free of charge. Benefits of availing carpet cleaning services. Cleaning the carpets in your house and office is not a simple task to do. Carpets and rugs need special care and cleaning. There are carpets that are very large that can measure more than 6 feet in length and width. Drying wet carpets is another problem, especially in cloudy and rainy days. Absolute Solutions Private Limited can offer on-site carpet cleaning or free pickup and delivery. For on-site cleaning, the contractors can remove and install back the carpets efficiently while taking note of every available detail. For free pickup and delivery, you can guarantee that your carpets and rugs will be taken care of professionally with full attention in details. Absolute Solutions Private Limited has been in the industry for quite a long time now. For this, professionalism and affordable service are part of what they aim to deliver to their customers. The company can guarantee that your carpets and rugs are in good hands.